Welcome to the SAP Business One Stripe template demonstration video. This integration template provides you with an automated payment and refund flow between SAP Business One and Stripe, and in addition, daily reports on overdue invoices. If you require information about deploying the template, please see our configuration video. Let's begin in SAP Business One, and here we can see our open invoice where this account has been set to use Stripe payment methods. In BPA Platform, we can see our template tasks responsible for automating our processes. This task will get the open invoices from SAP Business One. It will normally run on a schedule, but for the purposes of this demonstration, we will manually queue the task. Once the tasks have completed, an email is sent to the nominated recipient with details of the invoice and a review and pay link. This takes the user to a Stripe payment page. For this demonstration, we will enter our test details and proceed to make a payment. When the payment is completed, Stripe sends a webhook back to BPA Platform, while another set of scheduled tasks conclude the transaction. Back in SAP Business One, if we click Refresh, we can see that the status of the invoice has now been set to closed. And the relationship map shows that the payment flow is now complete. Let's look at how the return flow works by returning the status of the invoice to Open and then copying this to an AR credit memo. Let's click Add and View. And in BPA Platform, let's run the Get Credit Notes task. Again, this would normally be scheduled, but we will manually run it for this demonstration. Once the tasks have completed, back in SAP Business One, if we refresh this, we can see the status is now closed and the relationship map shows an outgoing payment. In the Stripe dashboard, we can see the credit note has been processed and is shown as refunded, with further details of the transaction shown throughout the page. In this example, we will use our previous invoice, resetting the due date, and then clicking Update. In BPA Platform, the template is designed to produce daily reports on a schedule. For this demonstration, we will run it now. Once the tasks have completed, in our email client, we can see that BPA Platform has created and distributed a daily overdue invoice report. And that's it for this video. If you require more details on this installation, please see the accompanying documentation or the tool white papers. If further assistance is required, please contact your account manager. Thanks for watching.